Serial positioning effect.
Let's talk about the serial positioning effect in UX design with a bunch of balloons. Alright, now I'm going to show you a couple of balloons and you have to remember what they are. The first balloon that I've got for you is this simple little round pink plain balloon. This is balloon number 1. The second balloon is this random green stringy balloon. The third balloon for today is this Santa hat balloon. The fourth balloon for today is this pink stringy balloon. The fifth one is this balloon guitar. And the last most important balloon for today, this teeny tiny monkey climbing on a tree. Now, if I ask you what are the top 2 balloons that you definitely remember, what do you think your answer is going to be? Most people watching this video will clearly remember the first pink round balloon and also the last funny monkey balloon that was climbing the tree. And it would be difficult to remember where these little random balloons came in, when they fit in, when they went away, and it would genuinely be very, very chaotic, and there is a smaller likelihood of people even remembering that these other random balloons even existed in the first place. This is exactly what serial positioning effect states. The serial positioning effect tells us that users have this propensity of remembering the first and the last items in a series far more than they'll ever remember all of the other items that came along in the process. That happens simply because the first item was new and got attention, and so it got the primacy effect happening. The last item was the most recent and it stayed in the user's active memory, and the recency effect happened. All of these other middle balloons basically competed with each other and it became really remembered to tell what came when and how. And this is exactly why you as a UX designer need to know that wherever you go, the first object and the last object are often the most important objects, pushing aside every other random chaotic mess that comes in the middle. You need to focus providing the right user experiences, the best user experiences at the very beginning of an experience and at the very end of an experience. So this is going to be at the very start of the landing pages or at the final checkouts when the user is done working with your site. When you focus on the first and the last part of the user experience, make it the best one possible, the user will definitely have the propensity to remember your best because they remember the first and the last object. So when it comes to you as a UX designer, when it comes to you as a human being with limited energy and resources, sometimes it's the smartest idea to focus on the first and also on the last objects in your entire user flow, and for the time being push all of these other noise causing middle elements with low retention aside so you can give off the best UI UX experience possible using the magic of the serial position effect in UX design.